In this video, I'm going to show you 5 examples of learning materials and procedures that you can create with a standard ScreenSteps article. And I'll show you brief demos of how you could create those articles in the ScreenSteps editor. The first example is your basic policy. It has a heading and some paragraph text. To create this in ScreenSteps, I would create a new article, add a heading and a paragraph block in the outline area, and then write up the content. The second example is an overview. I have a heading, an embedded video, and some text below. In ScreenSteps, I'd create the article and drop in a heading, an HTML content block, followed by another heading and a paragraph block. Then I'll fill those out in the main body. The third example includes an image, some text, a table, and a hyperlink that does a pop-up. In ScreenSteps, I'd create the article and drop in an image block, a paragraph block, and a table. I'll choose an image saved on my computer, write in the content, and add a hyperlink that does the pop-up. The fourth example includes some text, foldable sections, and notes that readers need to pay attention to. I'll create the article and drop in a text block, a heading, and some additional paragraph blocks. I'll modify this heading so that it's collapsible, and modify these paragraph blocks so that they stand out. The fifth example is a step-by-step tutorial that includes headings, text, foldable sections, important notes, and several screenshots. I'll create an article, and first I'll use the built-in screen capture to grab screenshots. Once those are in the article, I'll draw some annotations. Now I'll drop in some headings, paragraph blocks, create some foldable sections, and make some paragraphs stand out. When I'm all done, I'll hit publish, and everything is now in my ScreenSteps knowledge base, indexed for search and ready to share. All right, those are just 5 examples of what you can create, but of course, there are dozens of different ways you could arrange your content. And if you'd like to see how we could format your specific procedures, schedule a meeting with a specialist, or start a free trial and give it a try yourself.